Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. Today we are gonna make meat pie. Yummy, yummy meat pie. Here are the list of ingredients. Yeah, I already listed out the ingredients I used. One of those eggs, I used it as glazing for the pastry. The reason for combining the butter and the margarine is to give it this flaky texture. Sugar is optional. If you don't like the pastry sweet, you can omit sugar. You can also omit salt if you are using salted butter and margarine. So the first thing we are going to do is to get the filling for the meat pie ready because we need it to be completely cooled down before we can make use of it. So peel the carrots and the potato, wash and cut into cube shapes. I used this Vidalia chop wizard I got from eBay. You can also find it on Amazon. It makes slicing vegetables easy. Look at how finely chopped this is. Next, I slice the onion and set aside. Add a little amount of oil to a pan, add the onions and the ground beef, continue stirring until it turns brown in color. I used a wooden spoon to break up the meat into small crumbles. Continue stirring until it turns brown. Then I added 1 cup of water, mixed it together, cover and let it simmer. After 5 minutes, add the seasonings. I used salt, seasoning powder, thyme, and pepper. After about 5 minutes, you can add in the chopped carrots and potatoes. If it's too thick, you can add a little amount of water. I mixed about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with quarter cup of water. This will serve as a thickener in the filling. It will make it to be moist and not too crumbly. When the potato and the carrot is cooked, add in the mixture of the flour, stir together and set aside. Once you add in the flour mixture, stir continuously to avoid burning. To make the pastry, add in all the dry ingredients starting with the flour, the sugar, the nutmeg, baking powder and salt. Next, you add in the butter and the margarine. Mix it together until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Make a hole in the middle and add in the 4 eggs. Continue mixing. After mixing for like 1 minute, add half a cup of milk. You can use water if you prefer and continue mixing. Try not to overwork the dough. After mixing, cover with a film wrap. Leave in the fridge to rest for like 20 minutes. This will help the dough to be soft, smooth and more pliable. Egg wash to make it golden brown. This is empanada maker. It helps to make this process so easy. I got this from eBay. If you don't have it, you can use anything that has a round shape, like the cover of your small pot or a plate. Preheat the oven to 320 degrees. After folding out the meat pies, apply the egg wash and bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour. If you like it very golden brown, you can go in the second time with the egg wash. So after about 1 hour of baking in 220 degrees oven, this is what my meat pie looks like. It tasted so good. Can you see the feeling? See how moist it is? Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to see more videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.